everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a day in the life video. I have a lot of things I need to get done today. I've already taken Aubrey to school and Ken and I are here at Marshall's. I'm going to see if I can find him something to wear for his pictures. He has his first birthday pictures Thursday and I have ordered some stuff online, but I'm kind of scared that it's not going to come in on time. So I'm going to look here and see if I can find anything for him. I get a lot of the kids' clothes at Marshall's. I love it. And TJ Maxx as well. So I'm hoping I can find something for him here as a backup just in case. And then we also need to go to Target because I have to take a few things back. Shopping and I'm getting a little nervous. I didn't find anything for Kian for his pictures, and I don't think the things that I ordered are going to come in on time either. So I guess I'm going to have to go tomorrow and look at a few more places and see if I can find anything. Today we went to Target, Marshall's, and Ross because they're all right there together in the same little plaza, and I just didn't find anything at any of the stores. When Aubrey was Ken's age, I used to find cute clothes for her all the time, but for some reason, I just have a much harder time finding things for Ken. There's just not as much out there for little boys for whatever reason. So it's kind of frustrating, but I did find a few things. So at Marshall's, this won't work for his pictures, but I did pick up this little set of rompers for him. These were only $7.99. And I really like these for him for summer. He needed like some warmer weather clothes. And these are cute and easy to just throw on to go to like the park or just hang out around here. And then I found this outfit for Aubrey. Has this little tank top and these pants. I thought this would be cute for her to wear at the beach this summer. And also comes with a little scrunchie. Then at Target, I've got a few of these tablecloths. The kids' birthday are coming up. Both of their birthdays are in April and they are only 9 days apart. So I'm just going to have them a party together, and we're doing a jungle safari theme. So I just thought that these tablecloths were cute and match the theme. And then I also got this, it's like a leaf backdrop. I ordered them a backdrop for the cake, but I thought this might be cute to go behind the table where I'm gonna have the gifts. And then at Ross, I picked this up. It's a set of like paper organizers. I got this because I'm in the process of trying to set up a desk area for myself. Right now I've been doing all of my work at the dining room table and it's just kind of chaotic, so I really need a space where I can sit down and do my work and work on my paperwork and organize everything. So I got that for that area and it was on sale. It was only $8.50 for both pieces. So I did find a few things, even though I didn't get what I set out to get, unfortunately, but at least I did find a few other things. So I have a meeting that's getting ready to start. I'm going to go to that meeting and then work on some case files for my clients. my meeting and my paperwork. Kian just woke up from his nap, and I have a few more minutes before I have to leave to pick up Aubrey from school, so I'm going to work on some laundry. From school. It was really cold this morning, but it's turned into a really nice day. So I'm gonna let the kids play outside for a little bit, and then whenever Justin gets home, I have to go see a client. Most of what I do is from home, but I do see clients occasionally as well in their homes, so that's what I'm going to go do this evening whenever he gets home from work. Just got done seeing my client. She's one I usually see virtually, but I had to bring her some diapers for the baby, so I saw her in person this time, which was kind of nice to get to see her and the baby and just like check on them and see them in person. So now I'm back home. Justin is getting ready to go do an open gym that he does once a week, so it'll just be me and the kids this evening. Kian, what are you doing in there? Are you sitting in your toys? It's now the end of the day. We've all had dinner, and I'm getting ready to bath the kids and get them put in bed. Usually I will stay up after they go to sleep and straighten up the house or work on some work, but I'm just so tired today. I'm probably going to go to bed when they do. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.